Students, our next topic is effect of temperature on resistance. Effect of temperature on resistance of conductor, insulator and semiconductor. We know that resistance of a metallic conductor is R is equal to ml upon Ne square tau A. This relation was derived in deduction of Ohm's law. Here R is resistance of the metal conductor, m is the mass of the electron, L is the length of the conductor, A is the area of cross section of the conductor, N is the number density of free electrons in the conductor, E is the charge on the conductor, E is the charge on the electron. Tau is the average relaxation time, and as we have said, A is the area of cross section of the conductor. As M, L, E and A are constant, mass of the electron is constant, length of the conductor is constant, charge on the electron is constant, area of cross section of the conductor is constant. Now with the temperature, only two factors can change, either N or tau. When the temperature of a metal conductor is raised, the number density of free electrons in the metal conductor do not change appreciably. Number density do not change appreciably. However, the atoms or ions of the conductor, they start vibrating about their mean position with large amplitudes. Due to increase in thermal energy, the frequency of collision of electrons while drifting toward the positive end of the conductor with the atoms or ions, this increase. Due to increase in thermal energy, the frequency of collision of electrons with the atoms or ions while drifting toward the positive end of the conductor increase. This reduces the average relaxation time, tau. As R is inversely proportional to tau, therefore when tau decrease, R increase. Therefore electrical resistance of a conductor increase with increase in temperature. Electrical resistance of conductor increase with increase in temperature. The resistance RT of a metal conductor at temperature T degree Celsius is given by RT is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha T plus beta T square. RT is the resistance of the metal conductor at T degree Celsius. R0 is the resistance of the conductor at 0 degree Celsius. Alpha and beta are constants which are called temperature coefficients of resistance. Alpha and beta are constant which vary from metal to metal. Value of alpha and beta are different for different metals like copper, iron, aluminium. If the temperature T degree Celsius is not sufficiently large, which is so in most cases, then this equation 1 can be rewritten as RT is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha T. That is, this term beta T square can be neglected. Now, as RT is equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha T, we can write this as R0 plus R0 alpha T. Taking R0 to another side, RT minus R0 is equal to R0 alpha T. Taking alpha in this side, R0 and T on the another side, this becomes RT minus R0 divided by R0 into T. Therefore, alpha is equal to RT minus R0 divided by R0 into T. RT minus R0 is increase in resistance. RT is the resistance at T degree Celsius. R0 is the resistance at 0 degree Celsius. Therefore, this is increase in resistance. R0 is original resistance at 0 degree Celsius. T is the rise in temperature. Therefore, temperature coefficient of resistance is defined as increase in resistance per unit original resistance per degree Celsius or per degree Kelvin rise in temperature. Temperature coefficient of resistance alpha is defined as increase in resistance per unit original resistance per degree Celsius or Kelvin rise in temperature. For metals, this temperature coefficient of resistance alpha is positive. This positive means resistance of metal conductors, resistance of metals increase with increase in temperature. For insulators and semiconductors, alpha is negative. This means resistance of insulators and semiconductors decrease with increase in temperature. Now, this temperature coefficient of resistance alpha is different at different temperatures. Now the temperature coefficient of resistance alpha averaged over a temperature T1 to T2 degree Celsius. Temperature coefficient of resistance alpha averaged over temperature T1 to T2 degree Celsius. This can be written as alpha is equal to R2 minus R1 divided by R1 into T2 minus T1. R1 is the resistance at T1 degree Celsius, R2 is the resistance at T2 degree Celsius. Therefore, alpha is temperature coefficient of resistance averaged over temperature T1 to T2 is given by this.